example 4, we have a hardware store. And that hardware store has nails that can be purchased in bulk by mass. Now, a box contains 50 nails that have a total mass of 30 grams. And the box of 40 nails has a total mass of 250. So we need to find the box and the mass of a single nail. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to let B be the mass of the box. And we're going to specifically say that we're talking about the mass in grams. And then we're going to let N be the mass of a nail in grams. And now that we've done that, we have to come up with our first example. Now, it says here that the first box of 50 nails has a total mass of 300 grams. So let's set that in. So we have B for the box and 50N for the mass of 50 nails is going to be equal to 300. And we'll call that equation 1. And we can similarly do the same setup for this problem here, where we say we have a box 40 nails that has a total mass of 250 grams. And so now we have B plus 40N is equal to 250. So now we're going to use elimination to get rid of B and solve for N. So subtracting, we end up with 10N equals 50. Solving for N, we end up with N is equal to 5. So essentially we're saying that it's 5 grams for every nail. Now let's take that N equals 5 and back substitute into an equation, into equation 1. So here we go. So now we end up with B plus 50 times 5 equals 300, which turns into B plus 250 is equal to 300, and we end up with having B, after we do our calculations, we end up with B is equal to 50 grams. So now we have to have our final statement, and we have as our final statement the mass of a box is 50 grams and the mass of a single nail is 5 grams.